Samsung is rolling out a new security feature called Advanced Protection Mode with the One UI update based on Android 16. It lets you enable multiple key security features with a single tap to help safeguard your phone. But before we dive deeper, I want to quickly tell you something really important. You know, one of the most frustrating things for any content creator is you finish a long shoot, come home, start transferring your footage, and suddenly one of your main video files just won't open. It's either glitched, won't play, or shows some error. And if it's a client project or something shot in RAW or log, the stress is real. But recently, I found something that actually works. It's called Wondershare Repair It. It's a professional video repair tool made to fix exactly these kinds of issues. The best part? It supports all the high-end formats like RAW, HDR, log, and even advanced video encodings like DNxHD, DNxHR, XF, and more. What makes it different is, it doesn't lower your video quality during repair. It keeps everything, the original color, sharpness, and even the codec, so your video looks exactly like it did before it got damaged. All I did was open Repair It, select the Pro mode, add my corrupted file, and hit Repair. And just like that, the video was back. No quality loss, no weird changes. I dropped it straight into Premiere, and it worked perfectly. So if you work with professional footage and want to avoid losing important files, this tool is seriously worth keeping. Repair It has recently launched in mobile version 2. You can download it from Play Store and use it from your smartphone as well. Repair It, deliver flawless content. Links in the description. Check it out, this thing is insanely useful. Back to the topic. Advanced Protection is a high-security mode meant to protect your phone from threats like hacking, as spotted by Michelle Rahman. It's ideal for at-risk users but open to all. It's the perfect feature if you want stronger security without digging through deep settings. When enabled, it restricts a few risky permissions your phone usually allows. Oh, and if you haven't reserved the Galaxy Z Fold 7 or Watch 8 yet, this is your chance. Samsung is giving you a shot to win up to $5,000 in credits just by reserving. Don't miss the offer. Here's what it blocks. No sideloading apps. Prevents installing apps from outside the Play Store, which can be unsafe. No USB data access. Stops unauthorized data transfers when your device is connected via USB. No 2G networks. These outdated networks are vulnerable and can let attackers access your phone. Turning on Advanced Protection is quick and easy. Just go to Settings, tap Google, head to the All Services tab, find Advanced Protection under Personal and Device Safety. Once there, switch on Device Protection and tap Turn On. That's it. Your device will instantly be locked down with stronger security. As of now, Advanced Protection only manages system-level Android features. It doesn't control Samsung's own tools like Knox or Secure Folder, but Samsung may integrate those later. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.